Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this beautiful 2020 E63s AMG in. It's come for some more power, some more noise, so we're fitting the BR downpipes, and then it's over to D for some tuning. So yeah, let's get cracked on and get to it.
Right guys, as you've seen, Ben's been installing the BR Motorsport Downpipes on this E63s. We've got the car on the dyno now, we've been doing some tuning on it. With this car being a 2020 model, it's got OBD protection on the actual OBD part, which stops you from tuning through the OBD. So we've been having to remove the ECU and bench it, writing the information directly to the actual ECU unit itself. So we've done about 7 or 8 different revisions, getting the boost control perfect. So the car's fully dialed in now. These make 600 brake horsepower from stock. Obviously we've done the downpipes and done the stage 2 custom calibration on it. It's now making just shy of 780 brake horsepower and 830 foot-pound of torque, more than 150 foot-pound of torque and 150 brake horsepower. So it's made some massive gains. Like if you look at the actual torque curve, it follows the same curve as the stock car, but you've just got more power all the way through the rev range. So yeah, we're going to get it off the dyno now, take it out on the road, do some data logs, make sure all the boost control's perfect on the road, and then it's good to go.
So the car's off the dyno now, it sounds incredible, it's made really good power, so let's put in some before and after comparison videos of the exhaust. Right guys, that's all from us today. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you've got any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll see you next time.